Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Ecosport door. First, approach your Ecosport and locate the door handle. For the front doors, this is typically a standard pull-out handle. Grasp the handle firmly and pull it towards you. You should feel the latch disengage. Then, simply push or pull the door open to gain access to the interior. It's a straightforward process once you know where to find the handle and how it operates. Now let's talk about the Ecosport's unique tailgate. Unlike many SUVs, the Ecosport often features a side-hinged tailgate. Look for the handle integrated into the right taillight assembly. You might need to press a small, discreet button or lever to release the latch. Once unlatched, the tailgate swings open horizontally, providing easy access to the cargo area. This design is quite distinctive for the Ecosport. Safety is always important, especially with children. Ford Ecosport rear doors are equipped with child safety locks. These prevent the doors from being opened from the inside, ensuring young passengers remain secure. To activate or deactivate them, open the rear door and look at its edge near the latch. You'll find a small lever or switch. Use your car key or a small flathead screwdriver to toggle it. Always check they are set correctly for your needs. Your Ford Ecosport key fob offers convenient remote unlocking. Simply press the unlock button to open all doors or just the driver's door, depending on your settings. In case of a dead battery or fob malfunction, remember there's a physical key hidden inside the fob. You can usually release it by pressing a small button on the side. Use this key in the driver's door lock cylinder for emergency entry. Also, be sure to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.